Look! I got a package! Let's see what's inside. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If for some reason you have an Apple TV 3rd generation, you'll notice that the YouTube app is no longer supported. Are you kidding me? Look, YouTube is unavailable. Try again later. What does this mean? You'll need an iPhone or an iPad via AirPlay in order to watch YouTube, which is not really a good option. So what's the best way? A 750-80 Apple TV? Or some cheap Android boxes? How about something in between? That right there is Xiaomi Mi Box 4K. Look! I got a package. Let's see what's inside. Look, do you know what's inside? Yes, I didn't know. Well, let's go and open and see what's inside. Okay. Look, this was my old Apple TV. After updates, the YouTube is not working here. So let's unbox what's come new. Yeah, mine. How do I open this? Oh, here, right? You have to remove the sticker. It's easy for you there, but it's hard for me here. So here we are. Oh, sorry, it was upside down. My fault. So this is the Xiaomi box. So let's come and unbox this. Do you want to explode? Yes. Alright. Fine. Wow! It's a cool design. It's light. We can carry it also. But my old Apple TV is heavy. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh. I couldn't screw this up. Come on. Oh, no. I will not show you. Just kidding. I will show you, my friends. That's weird. Oh, this is for the power adapter. Now this is the remote. Oh, there's two switches. One is Netflix and one is Prime Video. Let's go and connect with the TV. We switch on the Xiaomi box. Come on. Bad luck. They didn't put on the battery, so we have to put it. Let's pair the remote and the Mi box. You know already I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm talking about the English language. So press English language. Quick set up your TV with your Android phone. Bad luck because we don't have Android phone. We only have iPhone phone. So skip. Oh, this is going to be tough for me. Next to correct. God, dude. Sign in. Okay. Sign in. Visit androidtv.com/setup. Success? Oh, this is Google Assistant. Do you know what is Google Assistant? Did you see this button? If we press this button and talk like this, play AADU and ANNU video, then the AADU and ANNU video will come. Oh my god! The all is there. Let's go to Prime. Activate Prime Video on. There's Crescendo again! Mr. Bean and Mr. Bean, Penguin of Madagascar movie, Lost in Oz, Wish Improve, and the Chickmans is also there. Next, Alvin the Chipmunks, and the Minions. Now let's go to the YouTube. Whoa, my videos are there! Whoa, this is amazing! You can download your favorite apps from the Google Play Store. Play Blippi on YouTube.
Playing Blippi on YouTube.
Oh, it's so easy, right? We don't have to type. Play Mr. Bean on YouTube. See? It's very easy. This is the end of this video. If you want to watch more videos, all you gotta do is subscribe and put a like. And I will see you in the next episode. And one more thing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Peace out.